Hello everyone, this is Physics 101, and in this lesson you are going to learn about a special type of mechanical wave which is called sound. So first let us think about how do we actually produce sound. So for example, you have a musical instrument here. So when this musical instrument vibrates, it actually uh, distributes in its vibration to the air. So the air, uh, first let's make the instrument vibrate. So the instrument vibrates, and then the vibration of the instrument distributes through the air. And then if there's a listener here, and here's that vibration in air, what he perceives is actually sound. So what is sound? So sound is simply just mechanical wave transferred through air. Or sound waves. So it's a special type of mechanical wave that is transferred through air. So what happens in air when sound is being transferred through it? So imagine here a quiet chunk of air. So molecules are just randomly arranged here, randomly bumping into each other. So this is what it looks like if there is no sound at all. So molecules are just randomly bumping into each other. Now, what if the guitar actually vibrates this air and causes a wave to travel through this layer of air? So there's a wave that hits this layer of air, and what will happen is that this vibration will be transferred in this layer of air. So there will be pressure oscillations or pressure variations in this layer of air. So yeah, I will draw again the same layer of air, but now take a look at what happens with the molecules. So at a certain point in time, there will be regions wherein these molecules will be more grouped into one place than other places. Think of it like you are dropping, you drop a rock in a pond, and the pond will, the wave from the pond will be transferred from one place to another. So this region of high density of air molecules will correspond to a region of high pressure amplitudes. So we can think of it, we can model it actually like a sine wave. So this is position x, and this is pressure in the y-axis. So we can model it as having high amplitude, then becoming low, then high again, and then low, high, low, high, low, then high. So this type of wave is the sound wave. So sound wave is actually a pressure wave.